What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Disconnect this connector right here. Just pull up on that lock tab right there and then push on the button and pull off that connector. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp. Grab this snorkel and slide it that way. Now there's 4 screws on this air box right here, here, and then 2 on that side. I'm going to use a long extension and an 8mm socket and a ratchet. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or even a straight blade screwdriver, but socket and a ratchet is going to be the easiest. Now you don't have to take the screws out completely. Just have to loosen them up just so they're in there. We can slide this air box out. Now this wire is held in right here. You can either grab it, try to pull it off, or we can use a trim tool. Pop that off. And carefully slide the box off. Now we can grab the air filter, slide it out, and there it is. So make sure before we put the new air filter in, make sure there's no debris in here. If you have any leaves, take them out, some pine needles and stuff. What you can do is if there's a lot of stuff, you can grab the lower part of the box and just lift up. It unsnaps. Slide this up. There's these push retainers that go down in there. Now I can take this and wash it out. So if you don't find these rubber grommets on here, then it's probably attached to the bottom of the air box. What you want to do is just take it off the air box. You just slide it off, and then you can just take the rubber grommet, slide it in here. You take a straight blade screwdriver and just push the lower part into that hole. Just like that. So make sure those 2 are there. And there may be something else here. The other retainer, it goes on the back of here. If that's down there, then you want that on the airbox. Now we can take the airbox, slide the intake part over here. Now you want to get those feet lined up with the grommets. It's kind of hard to see. And then you can just push it down. Now we'll take the air filter, slide it in position. Just like that. Take the top part of the air box with the screws still in there. Slide that in position. Take my 8mm socket, extension and ratchet, get all these started. Just gonna make sure they're all started before I tighten them down. All right, those are all lined up, so I'm gonna tighten this down. And just snug, not too tight. That's good, it is plastic. I'll reconnect this snorkel, slide it on. Take a straight blade screwdriver, tighten up this worm clamp. We'll connect this connector and slide the wiring harness back into this position right there. Push down on the lock.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.